How to use discount codes to download a disc. If you have misplaced a CD or are using a device that does not have a disk drive, you can download the disc contents at any time from our website. On the front page of the site is a button that will lead you to the page explaining how to use a discount code. The inside front cover of your product will have a SKU number and a discount code. This code works only for that product. In this example, we will be downloading Indigenous Singers of Canada. In the search bar, type in the SKU number that is printed on the front page of your product. You can also search by typing in the title of your product. Beside the product picture is a drop-down menu titled Choose Print or Download. Select the Enhanced CD download. The SKU for the CD download should match the SKU printed in the front of your product. Select Add to Cart. Click to agree to the terms and conditions. You can read the terms and conditions by clicking on the hyperlink. Proceed to the checkout. Fill in your contact information and billing address. As you begin to type your address, the website will provide a list of suggested addresses. If you see your address, click it. Type your discount code into the discount box and apply the discount code to the order. The balance for your product should now be 0. Don't forget to include your phone number in your contact information. Continue to the payment method. Because of the discount code, your order is free and no information is required. You can click Complete Order. Your order will process and your download will start soon after the page loads. If for some reason the download isn't working, or you accidentally click out of the page before the download is complete, check your email. There will be a download link sent to the email address you used in the order. Click on the button Download Now. The file will download as a zip file. Click the zip file to unzip it. You can now view all the download content. Thank you for watching this how-to video, and happy downloading!